Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a wholesale section for your Shopify store. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to need you to go to your computer browser and go to the Shopify website. That's www.shopify.com. And of course, log into your account or sign up right here if you don't have an account. Now I'm just going to click on login because I already have an account. And next we want to do is go to the store that we want to set up a wholesale section with. Now as you can see, I have done my research and there are possible ways or many possible ways for you to make a wholesale section for your Shopify. So the first thing is to have a code like an HTML code, some JavaScripting code, and you want to edit code right here. And if you want, you can actually edit some codes right here if you know how to create some code, so you can do that as well. But for those people who don't know, this is very hard for them to do. You can actually hire an IT expert if you don't know how to code, and it will cost you a lot of money for that. And the next is some applications. So under right here, just go to apps and go to wholesale right about there. Just search on a wholesale, and after that I have already searched this one, so let's just go back to right here. Just click on apps right here and go to recommended apps and find more apps in the Shopify store. So once you have done that, just search for an app that says wholesale app right about there. And as you can see, some apps right here are paid, so they only offer some 30-day free trial. As you can see right here, this has free plan available. So once I click on that, it says 14-day free trial, so we don't want that. And as you can see right here, there are a lot of it that are paid. So none of them are free, and some are free trial, but you can't use the entire thing or experience the entire application. So what I usually do is I manually create my wholesale section. So once I'm in my Shopify website, all you have to do is go to online store, and it will open you to this page right here, and click on customize. So once you have done that, go to this first page right here, or the first section at the top, and go to pages, and just simply click create template and name your template wholesale application. So this is where your potential customers who wants to apply for wholesale will be going at. So based on right here, just click on contact. I'm just gonna create template right about there, and once you have done that, it will lead you to this page right here. So as you can see, I have already edited my contact form right here. So let's just say this is empty. So once you have clicked on the wholesale application, this is where you will be getting at an empty contact form. So all you have to do is just to click on the contact form and go to heading right about here, and just simply say apply here to become a wholesaler. So right about there. And once you have done that, just click on save right here. So I have mine right here already saved. So once you have done that, let's go back to the Shopify store and let's add a potential customer. So let's say if someone or a potential customer has already clicked on contact right here and has applied to become a wholesaler, it will automatically go to this customer's page right here. So as you can see, let's add a customer, for example, or let's just say wholesaler customer number 1 has already applied for a wholesaler. So it will lead it to here. So a customer will show right here if someone applies. So just click on the wholesaler right here, and of course let's add the order that he or she wants. So let's say he or she wants some wholesaling about shoes. So I'm just gonna create order right here, and make sure to have your products or your collection set up. So if you don't know how to set up, I have already made a video about how to set up your collection or how to add a product. So let's say he or she added or ordered a product from our shop or from our store, and he ordered a wholesale about shoes. So let's just say add customer item right here, or if the customer item is not visible, all you have to do is browse right here and go to your collections, and as you can see, I have my shoe wholesale one right here. And now just add the item that he or she wants. So for example, he or she wants this white gray, this white red, and this black, and some green and some white blue. So I'm just gonna add this one up, and after that, as you can see, it is already present right here. And you can add some tags right here. Let's just say a tag for wholesale right about there, and you can add some notes right here, and you can actually add some customers again, and you can provide your contact information and some shipping address he or she provided, and the billing address right about that. So after that, this is the total of the wholesale right about there. And if payment is due later, if you offer that privilege to your store, just click on that, or if not, just not click on that, and you can send invoice or collect payment. So what I usually do is if he or she pays already, I'm just gonna click on collect payment, and I'm gonna say mark as paid. So after that, this will create an order. Mark this order as paid if you receive 78.4 outside Shopify. So as you can see, that is it for this whole process. So if you want to have codes like if you want to enter some codes, just hire someone, or if you know how to make some codes, you can actually do that by going to your online store right here, and of course click on this three dotted lines and go to edit code. Or if you want to pay for an app, just go to the app and search on wholesale right now, and of course and pick a plan on the application itself. Or if you want to add a wholesale section manually like I did in my store right about here, I'm just going to show you. So once we go to contact right here, and it says apply here to become a wholesaler, and this is the very simplest way and the easier way, and the best of all, it is free. So we do this manually. Just create a product section of collections right here. As you can see, I have a shoe wholesale one right about there, and just name your product wholesale section right about here. Like if you are wholesaling t-shirts, just create collection right here, and you can add a title like wholesale t-shirts right about there, and you can actually enter some details right about there, and you can actually save right there. So that's basically the summary of it. And if you have some questions and suggestions, or even some comments, just feel free to comment it down on the comment section box below. And that's it for this video. And if you find this video helpful, be sure to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!